Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, all over the world. Welcome to my vlog. Uh, this is a big event today. Uh, it is a shocking event, and it was started a couple of hours ago. Iran was bombed by US and Israel, and after the failed talks about uh, stopping the enrichment of uranium and making it to be a nuclear weapon, and after Khamenei regime wanted to prolong the said uh, issue. He just only talks. He talks disagreement with the nuclear to be stopped, and while he expressing to continue the enrichment of the uranium or the nuclear, uh, on the other side, his proxy government, uh, giving expression that they wanted to talk, they wanted to have some diplomatic agenda, but it's just for that, to prolong and to have them more to take more time to have defense in their country. Maybe they're thinking to they can defend it with their missiles. So they're very hard-headed kind of politician. They don't think very vivid. So this is the result. This is the result of their very um, stubborn thinking. So unfortunately, many people died and alive, and including one of their leader, and they did not expose it to that one. But just a minute ago, as I scroll down my internet, I heard Khamenei is dead, and uh, it will be verified. It will be verified by the Mossad or the CIA, or any posing uh, entity against the regime, that that he was being killed. But the government of Iran uh, told that he's still alive, and he will come out for a few minutes after the said breakout of about his killings, about his death. The regime kinda said that Khamenei is alive and he will get out soon. Uh, um, just a minute. So let's see if he's still alive, and also the response of Iran. They responded uh, multiple attacks of different countries, Middle East countries, especially UAE, the Qatar, the Abu Dhabi, and I think Jordan. they fired rockets, missiles inside the city center of the said countries, and civilian died, unfortunately. So they, as Middle East uh, bomb, they got hurt. Their leadership of the different countries got hurt and got mad. I don't think the Iranian regime can survive, because he will they will be cornered. They will be taken more missiles, because the regime strikes anywhere. Just lately, the United Arab Emirates expresses their desire to respond the said attack. So let's see. And the bases also of U.S. bases also were was attacked. So, and got hit. I don't. There's no report of how many was killed. And I think it's a suicide mission for Khamenei regime, and it's a very bad decision for him. And I think it's a matter of hours. He will be thrown out. So many were killed, and US was responding, and Iranian also responds to their navy, so that they were blocking the navy of US to get more nearer to the country. And for me, I also thinking that, what about Qatar? Qatar is sometimes they kind of support US, but at the same time they support some terrorists, or anti-West, because there is even a media outlet that is popular of being anti-Semitic, anti-Western, and I don't know what's the feeling of that leader of that media outlet. I think the first letter is A of that media outlet, where they always supporting for anti-Semitic sentiments and pro-Palestine. Back to the topic. Let's see what will be this future hold after this bombing. Is it really a big war, or it will become a occupation, or what, or the people of Iran will go directly to the palace of Khamenei, or what do you think will happen? I think for me, it's my prediction. In my prediction, people will stand, and they will try again. They will be now they will be now communicating and maybe beginning to be uh, solidify and have bigger numbers uh, bigger numbers to try to rally or whatsoever. Maybe they attack offices, maybe main office or government office, or I think they will go inside military bases. Uh, maybe because they are also have anti-regime there, the Mujahideen, which attack the the compound of Kamini, and maybe they will be goes stronger, and maybe they get uh, they will try to take out the armed forces there, because US and Israel, for me, it's not good that their soldiers or personnel will be the one who get inside. From the eyes of the international, uh, for the international people or leaders, they gonna it's kinda not very nice to observe that they're the ones who getting inside, occupied Iran, and as we know, the other side, they're gonna take that, and it will reverse that look, US and Israel, the occupier of the Iran, they are the ones why Iran was in trouble or was take down. So it's a bad it's a very not good to listen. So it's better their people, the Iranian people, will take over. They will be the ones who will get into the news, different news, to 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 spread the news that they are the one who took over the country, not the foreign nationals or the other countries whatsoever. So it's kind of weird to say that America or the Israel took over the government. It must be the people of Iran will take over the government. So the leaders, the opposition leaders in Iran should have the plan B, the plan A and the plan B today, because if not, they're gonna wasted the crucial time they had. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. As you know, the algorithm of YouTube and Meta, it needed for me to my improve my videos, and helps my funding as usual. And thanks for watching.